frost retreats with a whispered sigh as robins trace songs across the sky. Green wakes soft beneath our feet, in every bud a heartbeat sweet. All trees stretch in morning light, their branches blushing blossoms bright. Fields once grey now laugh and bloom, and scatter scents through every room. The world remembers, so do we, barefoot days and climbing trees, laughter stitched in daisy chains, kites like prayers in winds unstained. Spring comes not just to the land, but to the soul, a gentle hand. It paints the past in warmer hue and whispers, life begins anew. For me, a coffee, a book, and 20 minutes of pure silence is the most perfect and blissful start to any cozy day. I find a trip to the garden centre grounding, listening to the sweet song of birds whilst browsing this year's blooming plants. From tomatoes to peonies, peppers to fresh herbs. And it would have been unkind not to have given some a brand new home. Gardening is a new love that I've discovered over the last 2 or so years, whilst taking a step back and allowing myself to slow down. In turn, this has given a self-proclaimed fall queen a newfound love for spring. Was either an old cast iron bird feeder or small bird bath, and to be honest, I'm still none the wiser. However, I am determined to bring life back to my garden and thought it would be the perfect addition. However, it did need a little bit of work. One man's trash truly is another man's treasure. I hope you find your own inspirations to truly enjoy the magic of spring.